This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Christine Kohlberg. Some of the best mountain views you will find in the area. Located in popular Walnut Mountain, this home features easy access on all paved roads and open floor plan focused on the spectacular views. Lots of outdoor living options including decks, covered porch, fenced yard for your furry friends and lovely sunroom for year-round enjoyment of nature. Main level with large, open greatroom, cozy fireplace, dining area and updated kitchen with granite counters, large island and stainless steel appliances. Main level primary bedroom with ensuite full bath and guest room with access to additional full bath. Finished, daylight lower level with large recreation room, 2 additional bedrooms, full bath and workshop area with laundry. Walnut Mountain is a friendly mountain community with loads of amenities including access to lovely Turniptown Creek with picnic areas, access to 4 community lakes, a large clubhouse with fitness center, pool, tennis courts, hiking trails and dog park. Some furnishings negotiable. For more information, review